That's really cool.
Yeah, Phillips.
Chris, do you know what size it is? You're probably going to need to check that.
Hey Dylan, come here for a sec. So we're gonna lift this thing up and stand it on the stand.
Okay.
No, whole box.
Okay. Wow. Oh my god.
Really should have done it the other way so I can...
That's really cool. Whoa, dude.
The widescreen makes it look really wide. Dude, this thing is so sick!
Dude.
Yeah.
This experience is about to get to the whole nother level.
It's about to get really good.
It's about to get real weird.
So grab that side.
Are you gonna do this right now?
Yeah, I can do this one-handed. There we go. And oh, and I'm the one walking backwards. Perfect.
Yeah, perfect. Right on.
Dude, it looks like it's a mile long from this view.
Should we like set it on the ground and get rid of these ones?
Yeah, let's sit on the table. Right over. Yonder way. Oh yeah, I want to do like a quick comparison actually before we do that.
Yeah, good idea.
Let's move this. Here, we can like unplug all these.
Oh, setting them next to each other. Got it.
I just want to sit in front of it.
Got it.
And get a shot of that.
I thought you were gonna say.
All right, now grab this thing. Here's the swing out.
We're going.
Yep. And now up and over. Oh, dude, look at that. So it's a little more vertical, which is nice. It's got like an extra inch of vertical, almost 2 inches.
Yeah.
And it's about 4 inches short on each side, but like, that's not what you need. This is gonna be freaking perfect.
This is gonna be perfect.
Oh my God. And it's so much closer.
Plug it in, brother.
Plug it in, plug it in. Okay, I think I got this. What happened? Nope, we're not on. Turn on.
It'll do that.
Here we go. Ready to a shreddy. Oh, a little dirt. Oh, that was almost a sick one. I guess I'll do XDC course. Everybody likes that. Dude, trying too hard. Just do the lap.
Did you make some more changes to it?
Nah, I just need to get a video with the new screen. And I'm just trying too hard for like a full perfect lap instead of just driving the car. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to add a second set of calipers onto a car. So
we're gonna be deleting the e-brake, and if the car ever rolls down a hill,
Yeah, you know who to blame.
it ain't my fault.
I mean,
Chris was like,
This
yeah,
guy.
we'll delete it.
Dylan's working on it. I'm adding handbrakes. He's removing them.
It's actually true. He's not wrong.